I'm very sure most of you don't know that you can actually produce your next hit song using AI. Yes, I mean it. You can produce your next hit song using just AI tools. You don't have to go to the studio. You don't have to pay for beat. And in fact, you can also compose a song using AI and sell to artists. And you can also make free beats with AI and post them on YouTube and start generating money for yourself. You can make free beats with AI and sell them to other artists also. So today I'll teach you how to actually do these things with AI and the AI tools you use for this project. Please, in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Before I continue, for those of you that are asking what is AI, AI are internet robots that help us to carry out different tasks like editing of photos, editing of videos, making of music, and other different tasks. But today, I'll focus on how to use it to make music, how to use them to make music. And for this, we'll be using two different AI tools. The first one is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be the one to write the lyrics for us. ChatGPT will write the song for us. Then after we finish writing the song, after we get the lyrics from ChatGPT, then we'll take it to another AI tools. These tools will then make the beat for us and sing the vocals as well. But if you don't want AI to sing the song, you just want the beat from AI, then I'll also show you how you can get just only the beat, and you can sing the song yourself if you don't want AI to sing the song. So now let's go and open ChatGPT. You can actually get ChatGPT from Play Store, iOS, and Apple Store. It depends on what you're using. You can also use it directly from the web if you're using a computer. So I'll be using my phone for this tutorial. So I already have ChatGPT installed in my phone. So now let me show you how to get good lyrics from ChatGPT. You will so much love this app. Many people use this app to write movies, some use it to write music, some use it to solve mathematics and so many other things. Some use it for physics, and you can use it for any other stuff. It's the best AI tool I've ever seen. I don't really know Share, but for me, it's the best AI tool I've ever seen. This is the best way to write a song with ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT to write a song. It could be an Afrobeat, depending on what you want. It could be a Amapiano song, it could be hip hop, it could be trap, it could be drill, but I'll put Afrobeat song. Now, after telling ChatGPT the genre of the song, which is Afrobeat, now I've chosen Afrobeat as my genre. Now you tell ChatGPT what you want the song to be like. It could be, is it a love song? Is it a celebration song? But I don't want the song to be a love song. Let's sing something else instead of singing about girls. So let's just say about enjoying life and celebrating success with friends. Now, after telling ChatGPT what to write about, you tell ChatGPT what to focus on, because now you said enjoying life with a friend. Is it at the club, or you are enjoying life about something else? So let's just say we're enjoying life, we're giving gratitude for hard work, for success, we've made it, and something like that. So let's just say enjoying gratitude and movement. So you just have to tell Chat, you have to be specific to get a good result. If not, you won't get a good result from ChatGPT. So once you finish telling ChatGPT what you want your song to focus on, what you want the lyrics to focus on, the next thing you will do is to tell ChatGPT how you want your song to be structured. When I say structured, I mean the arrangement pattern of the song. That's what we mean by structure. So I'll just say including a verse, a vibrant chorus, and a bridge. So you and I know that a good song is made up of a chorus, a verse, and a bridge. So once you are through with the structure of the song, the next thing is to tell ChatGPT the language you want your song to be. The one good thing I love so much about this app is that it can write song, it can write anything, not just song, it can write anything in any language. So you can, if you're speaking French, if you're speaking English, or if you're speaking your own local dialect, for example, you're from South Africa and you say, write an Amapiano song for me in Zulu, ChatGPT will do that for you very perfectly. So if you are from Nigeria, if you say, okay, write a Yoruba song for me, ChatGPT will do that for you perfectly. So I'll just say, let's use a blend of English and Nigerian Pidgin English. Why I said Nigerian Pidgin English is because Ghana, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, and so many other countries, they speak Pidgin English, but their own English is kind of different from the ones being spoken in Nigeria. They have some little differences. So you just have to be specific of the country's English or the country's language you want. If you want slang or slang from, even if you want the song to be written in Jamaica slang, ChatGPT can do that for you. That's one good thing I love so much about this app. So we are through. Just click on the arrow here to generate the song for you. So let's see what ChatGPT will generate for us. See the way it's writing the song very fast. It doesn't even take up to 10 seconds to finish a song. One funny thing about ChatGPT is that it will even write the title of the song it generated for you. So the title of this song is Enjoyment Anthem, and it begins with a verse, a chorus. So let's go through the first verse. This is a perfect Nigerian Pidgin English. It says, we don't grind, now we dey shine. It means we have hustled, we have grind, and now we are shining. Then it says, from nothing to something, now God dey behind. Oh, my brother, Charlie, this is so hot. And let's go to the chorus. It says, na enjoyment be the cocoa, my friend. I share your lie. See lyrics. Bro, look, the next time you're writing your song, use Niger Pidgin English. I so much, in fact, I don't know what to say. So let's just go to the next. Let's go to the next level. Now let's just so if you see anything you don't like about the song, you can go through the full song, go through the whole song. Then if you don't like anything about the song, you can tell ChatGPT to change it for you, or better still, you can edit it yourself, change the parts you don't like. But let's just say, for example, you don't like the chorus. You can just tell ChatGPT, just say, I don't like this chorus, please change this chorus. Or maybe you need a second verse. You can just tell ChatGPT, I need another verse, or I don't like this verse. Then it will do just that for you. So now to the next, let's go to the next step now. For the next step, all you got to do, let's go back. Click here, let's go back. Now you copy this, the lyrics from this thing. Just click on copy there. Now you copy it. Then we'll go and paste it on another app called Suno Ai. The Suno Ai has a mobile app, but I don't like using it because it's a complete waste of time. I prefer using it directly from the website. So just go to Google and search for Suno Ai. Just go to your browser. It can be Google, it can be Chrome, any browser you're using. Just search for Suno Ai and it will come up. You can see the first one here. So click on it and wait for it to load. So when it opens, you will see something like this. All you got to do is come down here and click on create. There you see this first space here. This is where you will paste the lyrics you copied from ChatGPT. Let's paste it here. So then you go down to the style of music. This is where you choose the genre of music. Or better still, I think I have the title. I copied the title. Let's remove the title first. Let's remove it. I'm really sorry. So you should remove the title whenever you want to do that. Remove the title. So now you will come down here to choose the style of your song. Remember, the style of our music is Afrobeat. That was what we told ChatGPT. So here you will say, generate an Afrobeat song using these lyrics. Please always take notes of this thing. Don't mistake. If you go and write hip hop instead of Afrobeat, the song will come out and you won't like it because the song ChatGPT gave you was an Afrobeat song. So always take notes of these things. So you can add more informations, like let's just say adding a catchy melody, because you want your song to have a melody, something like a guitar melody. So let's just say adding a catchy melody and a vibrant let's say a vibrant. Just give any information you think can really help you get the result you need. I'll just say, and a vibrant instrumental or instrumentation. Let's just say, yeah, you can put instrumental or instrumentation. You can just add your own stuff the way you want your song to be. Just add it. Remember, it will not be more than 120 words. Take note, it won't be more than 120 words. So after doing that, you scroll down, you see where the right title, then you put the title of the song here. The title of our song is Enjoyment Anthem. So you just put the title and you press create and wait for Suno AI to do its own magic. You can see it's generating 2 different songs. It will give you 2 different songs, so you choose the one you think is okay for you, then you collect it, or if you like, you can collect the 2. And this site is also as fast as ChatGPT. It don't even take up to 10 seconds to generate the 2 songs for you. So once it finishes generating the song, all you have to do is click on the song to listen to them. And let's begin with the first one at the top. Oh no. See, Charlie, this is mad. Mad, Charlie. Did you just hear that instrumental, that Afrobeat instrumental? Very dope and matured. Let's listen to it again. So that's the importance of the melody. So whenever you write in your own, just don't forget to add melody. If you don't add melody, you won't get this kind of guitar vibes. In my next video, I will teach you guys how to make good instrumentals using AI. You can actually make instrumentals with AI and sell them to different artists.
We don't hustle, we don't cry, how we they shine. From nothing to something like God and they behind. All the sleepless so we don't put in the work. Now we the ball, we the flex, no more stress, we the chop. Now enjoy me, we go, my friend. We don't make calm, no more pretend. Gratitude in our hearts, we the give God thanks. Living in the moment, not be by chance. Life sweet like sugar cane. Hard work, don't pay no more pain. We go celebrate till the end. Papa, that my friend, this life not for spend.
Shall I say, I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing now. So, because of time, let's listen to the older one. Just because of time, for the sake of time. This one is calm. I really love this beat. You can hear that guitar. So, but because of time, let me show you how to save it. So, if you really like the beat and you want to if you like the song and you want to save it to your phone's memory, all you have to do is click on the option icon you see in here. Any of them, just click on the option. Then you see download down here. You come down and click on audio because you want to download it as audio, not as video, and automatically it has started downloading. So that will be all I can take for today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. Please, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload another content. See you guys in my next video. Bye.